This is how 240 frames per second video looks like. And in case you want to record 240 frames per second in FX3, how can we do that? Let me just show you. So turn on your camera, go to menus, and then go to the shooting, and in shooting go to the image quality and recording, enter there, and then here if I go to the SNQ and I go to the maximum frame rate, it's 100. Why? Because we are in UHD mode, so we have to go to the HD instead of 4K. So to do that, I will go back and I will go to the file format and I will change it from XAVCSI 4K to XAVCS HD. So I'll change it and then I'll go back. Now if I go to SNQ, I am able to achieve 200 frames per second, but still we cannot have 240 frames per second. How can we do that? Because we are in project settings of 25 or 50, that's the reason we cannot go. It's in PAL. So we need to change it from PAL to NTSC. How can we do that? Let me just show you. So let's go back to the menus and scroll down till you see setup. And in here in area date, you just need to go to NTSC and PAL selector and then change it to NTSC. After you do that, your camera will turn off and turn on. Now in menus, if I go back to the shooting and image quality and rec, and then I go to the movie recording, you can see it's being changed from 25 to 50 to 23.98 or 29.97 or 59.94. So we are in NTSC now. Let me show you how you can go to 240 frames per second. Now I will go back now, and in SNQ, if I go and see my maximum frames per second, you can see it's 240 frames per second. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this. Thank you so much. See you in the next one.